Hi, welcome back. This is Sanjay Kumar Verma from Unikaksha. So, my dear friend, in the earlier session, we have already discussed about of the external IPs, about of the how to configure a web server using of the VM instance. So now, in this session, we are going to discuss about of the Google machine images because we know that currently we are working in Google Cloud platform. So when you want to spin up a virtual machine, so you require a image, right? Doesn't matter you are choosing Windows operating system, Linux operating system, Mac operating system, because currently we are using infrastructure as a service. So you know hardware and operating system which is offered by the Google for you, right? So now we are going to discuss about of the Google images, right? So basically there are two types of Google images. One is public images, another is private images, or you can say custom images. So public images which is managed by the Google and open source community. And if I talk about of the private image, that means private image is managed by you, which is created by you, and it is available only for you and your team. So let's get started. So now I will show you how to create a image. So this is my Google dashboard, correct? So my dear friend, when I want to spin up a virtual machine, so click on create instance. And when I will show you the boot disk, you can get the images, right? These are so many images. These are public images. That means it's available for everyone, which is managed by the Google and open source community. And if I will show you the custom image, that means I don't have any kind of custom image. There is no any kind of snapshot, right? Existing disk, nothing, public images. So my dear friend, so now I will show you how to create a custom image. My dear friend, my one instance is already running, which is available in my account. So I hope, let me connect with this instance. Please wait. It's going to connect. Perfect, successfully login, sudo su hyphen, right? And friends, if I will show you, I have already configured a web server in this, right? So please, yeah. So my dear friend, what I want to do, I want to create my custom image. For example, I want to install apt-get vsftpd package. vsftpd. Sorry, we have to type the install. This package should be available in my image. Very good. Let me check now. Another apt list 5 grep apache 2. This package is available. Very good. Let me check now another package. I have installed the tree. Perfect. Yeah. And let me check now the vsftpd. Yeah. So these are three packages are already available in my machine. So what I want to create my custom image. Why? Because when I'm going to spin up another virtual machine, so I want to install these packages again and again. So what is the idea? You can create of your custom image, and using of your custom image, you can spin up a virtual machine. Then by default, you will get these packages. That means you no need to install these packages again and again as a manually, right? So how to create the images? Now come to the VM instances side, right? And now you have an option images, right? Wait, Then you have to click on create image. Okay, you can define the name, right? The image name is Sanjay image, right? Disk, what kind of disk? I want to make it image, right? Source project, this one, this is the default name. If you want to change, you can do. If you have any source image, you can share. Actually, we are creating an image, so we have to select the disk, and then now choose your source disk. So I want to make an image of my OS disk, right? Select this one. You want to make it multi-region or only a specific region? My dear friend, now I want to make it single region. Otherwise, if you will make it multi-region, that means it will be available, but it will take some time. So regional, it's my Delhi region. You can define the name of your family, what you want to define. It's not mandatory. If you want to share the tag, you can do it. It's your choice. So now I am making the default. Please create. So friends, now you can see it's going to create, but it will take some time. Its status is pending. So please wait. So now you can see this is my image. Let me click over here. Yes, you can see data disk, the source, and it's available in Asia South Delhi. Let's go back. So friends, let me check now images. Yeah, my image is available. So what I want to spin up another virtual machine. So click on VM instance, create instance. Okay, give it another name like is web2, right? So choose your appropriate region, in which region your image is available. My image is available in this region, right? Choose your instance size, right? And now you have to choose the boot disk. Click here. Okay, click on custom images, and then now you have to select the project, because in which project you have completed this task, in which project your image is available. So I have a only single project in my account. This is my first project. Select this one, and now you have to select of your custom image. Now you can see this is the Sanjay image, right? And then select. Okay, very good. You can see the size, that is 20 GB. Image name is Sanjay image, right? If you want to allow HTTP, right, and then click on create. So now my this instance is ready, that is which name is web2, right? So let me connect now. Please wait. Now this machine is reachable in my cloud shell. Actually, it's facing some issue when I'm going to connect with the browser. So no problem. Sudo su hyphen, you can access anywhere, right? So now you can see cat etc os release. This is the one-to base, correct? Perfect. And now first of all apt list grep apache 2, this package should be available. Yes, this package is available. Let me show me the another package, that is vsftpd. VSFTPD. Yes, tree packages should be available. Yeah. So guys, like that, when you have your custom image, then you can spin up of your virtual machine. This is the idea behind of this. So thank you so much.